Anarchism, as a political ideology, is often associated with the rejection of all forms of hierarchical structures and centralized authority. It champions individual autonomy, decentralization of power, and direct democracy. However, in light of the pressing social problems that exist in our world today, many have raised the question of whether anarchism can be reconciled with the need for collective action. On the surface, anarchism seems to be incompatible with the idea of collective action. After all, if anarchism is about individual autonomy, then how can it be possible to work together with others towards a common goal? The answer lies in the distinction between forced collective action and voluntary collective action. Forced collective action is when a group of people is compelled to act together by an external force, such as a government or a corporation. This kind of collective action is often hierarchical, with a few individuals at the top making decisions for the rest. Anarchism rejects this kind of forced collective action, as it goes against the idea of individual autonomy and self-determination. On the other hand, voluntary collective action is when a group of individuals come together voluntarily to work towards a common goal. This kind of collective action is based on mutual aid, cooperation, and solidarity. Anarchism not only supports this kind of collective action but sees it as essential to achieving social change. In fact, many anarchist movements throughout history have relied on voluntary collective action to address social problems. Anarchist communities have organized themselves around principles of mutual aid and direct action, working together to provide for their basic needs and resist oppressive structures. Furthermore, anarchism recognizes the importance of solidarity across different struggles. Anarchists understand that social problems are interconnected, and that collective action must be intersectional and inclusive. Anarchist movements have often allied themselves with other movements, such as feminism, anti-racism, and environmentalism, recognizing that these struggles are all interconnected. In conclusion, anarchism and collective action are not incompatible. Anarchism supports voluntary collective action based on mutual aid and solidarity, and recognizes the importance of working together to address social problems. As we face the many social problems that exist in our world today, it is important to remember that collective action is not only possible but necessary, and that anarchist principles can provide a framework for building a more just and equitable world.